Welcome to Dance Fitsugar. I'm Charlize Glass and I'm here with my friends Tori and Nikki.
Hey guys.
We're bringing you a short little dance party, so let's get into it.
Woo!
So we're gonna start this out on the right foot. You're gonna go step, step, kick, hip, and a hip. Ignore the arms, just focus on the legs first. And a 5, 6, 7, 8, step, step, kick, hip, hip. Again, 7, 8, step, step, hand, kick, kick. So adding arms, you're gonna flick down, flick up. You're gonna open these to like a little olé type situation. But you're gonna flick and flick, up, kick, and a kick. So when you're kicking, they're up here, and then it goes to your hip, and your hip again. Flick, flick, up, hip, a hip. From there, you're gonna jump open, all the way down, all around town, and you're gonna trombone it over here. Yeah, again, from the top.
I didn't know you played instruments.
I don't, but I fooled you. Yeah, I do, just kidding. Again, a flick, a hip, a jump, around, trombone, trombone. Again, a flick, a hip, push, around, trombone, trombone. Faster, flick, hip, trombone. Flick, hip, around, down. Flick, hip, turn, around. Let's go. Flick, turn. Catch that breath. Over. Instrument. Yeah, I forgot what it was called. Down. Trombone, let's go. Flick, hip. How are you guys doing back there?
Trombone.
There's my answer. Down. Flick, hip, down. To make that a little harder, go all the way down. Yeah. Add a little hip. Make it lean and down. Yeah. Woo.
Feeling it.
And down. Whew. Down. Last one. Around. Ga. Oh gosh. How are you guys feeling?
That was good. I feel my arms actually.
I feel a workout. There you go, full body. All right, so now we're all warmed up. So let's get into this a little bit harder, a little bit faster, but you've got this. Just take your time, watch it through, follow us. You got this. So we're gonna start to the side. You're gonna point down, up, down. And you're gonna go left and a right. Again, 6, 7, and a point, up, down. From there, you're gonna snap, and then snap, snap, snap. So corner to corner, corner to corner. Again, 6, 7, and a point, point, down, down, a point, and a point. Flex, down, and a down. Again, a point, up, down, down. From there, you're going to jump together, arms up, hands out, and a push, from the top. And a point, up, down, jump, up, hip, and a hip. Again, a point, up, down, a jump, out, hip, a hip. One more, point, and a down, a jump, together, push, and a push. From there, you're gonna face the left with your arms like this. You're gonna push up, down, turn around. From there, whew, goodness gracious, you're gonna come together. Again, from the top here, and up, a push, down, turn around, and come together. Again, and a 5, 6, 7, and a push, and a up, and a down, turn around, and come together. One more time. To the tempo, down, up, around, come together. Again, 2, 3, 4, turn around, come together. So, we're gonna do the tempo of this one. You thought this was fast? Just wait. And a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a point, and down, jump, up, hip, hip. How was that?
Woo, I don't think I was ready. Next one, I got it.
Yeah, you do. Okay. And the 6, a 5, 6, 7, and a point. And hip, hip, down, up, hip, hip, again. And hit, hit, hey. Again, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, you're gonna jump into this one. Step around, turn, come together. You guys ready?
Yeah.
7, 8, point, and down, down, jump, together, and again, turn, around, come together again, and hit, jump, hit, 1, 2, repeat, again, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 4, 1, last time, 1, 2, and 4, 5, 7, and a 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you're done.
Woo!
Woo! So now we're on our last leg of our sequence. We're gonna have a little hard one and a more groovier one. So starting with the hard, you're gonna sit in that plie. Really use those legs, because if you're up here, it's boring. Really get into there. So you're gonna have your arms out, and you're gonna row to the left, row to the right, and double row to the left again. 1, and a 2, and a 3, 4. From there, you're gonna scoop up, give your little legs a little rest. And then you're gonna have these little spoon fingers. I don't know if you ever heard these before, but you're gonna scoop it up, scoop it up. I don't know why you don't hold your spoons like this, but you do in dance. So you're scooping and you're scooping. Again from the top, plie, arms out, let's go, let's go. A hip, hip, a double, and a scoop, up, spoon it, out, and a dip, a hip, a double, a dip, and a soup, up, scoop, and scoop. Good?
Yes.
Great.
The spoon hands are very helpful.
Great.
Never thought of it like that.
Amazing. Now to the tempo. 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. A scoop, double. Wow.
Whoa, I was about to go back in there.
Hard worker over here. Let's be like that. Let's do it twice in a row. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, a 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now to the easier part. It's like a little groovy, type vibe. You're gonna step in, step out, a drag to the front, whatever arms you want, and turn around. See, it's very groovy. So a in, a out, a down, to the front, to the back. Now adding that on with the hips, tempo. Got it?
Let's give it a go.
Great.
Let's see.
5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and a down, down, turn. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. I lied. Again. Let's go. Biggest dance lie is one more time. You'll always hear it. It's never one more time. Hey! See, even pros mess up. It's okay.
True.
All right, you've made it to our last track. It's like a little pop-up, little dance cool down situation. We're just gonna move through our bodies, let our bodies cool down, and dance at the same time. Make it fun, might as well. So we're gonna start with a little roll. To the back, 2, 3, 4, down. Just follow through. You don't need to have your arms here. You can have them wherever you want. Just really flow through it. Imagine you're in like a jar of peanut butter, I feel like that's what I learned in like improv class when I was younger. You just imagine yourself in something really sticky and you have to move every single part of your body to really get through it. Other side.
Yes. Now I want some peanut butter.
I know. Hopefully you're not allergic.
Or almond butter.
Oh, yummy. Back and front and a back and front. Again, back, a front and a back, a front. We're gonna do a little grapevine to the right and a back, back, step, together and a back, together, turn. A little faster, 6, 7, 8, okay. a turn. In a back, 2. In a 5, 6. In a turn. In a turn. Okay, Tori, you wanna give me a move?
5, 6, 7, and a smooth.
I knew it too.
Let's maybe do it faster.
5, 6.
Yeah.
Fire. Okay, let's go. Up. Same thing with that little peanut butter thing. Like really feel it through your entire body, all the way. 6. Nikki, your turn.
Let's go around and a hip.
Down. Hey.
Yes.
Hip and a down. Hip and around. Hip around. Hip around. 2 more. D. Okay, now breathe all the way into Dance Fitsugar ballet class featuring Charlize Glass, Tori, and Nikki. Again. All the way down. Really stretch that through. Again. Feel it within every single muscle in your body. Really stretch. Again, other side. Ooh. Really feel through those muscles. Oh, goodness gracious. You're done. Whew. Thank you guys so much for joining me here at Dance Fitsugar. Thank you, Tori. Thank you, Nikki.
Thank you for having us.
I'm Charlize Glass, and I'll see you next time.